The world's favorite laptop just got even better. Meet the all-new MacBook Air with M4, bringing more power, stunning design, and incredible value, all in Apple's thinnest, lightest notebook yet. At the heart of the new MacBook Air is the blazing fast M4 chip, up to 2x faster than the M1 model and 23x faster than the Intel-based MacBook Air. Whether you're multitasking, editing photos, or working with AI-driven apps, everything is smoother, faster, and more efficient. And with up to 32 GB of unified memory, your workflow stays seamless, no matter how many apps you have open. What good is power without endurance? MacBook Air gives you up to 18 hours of battery life, so you can work, stream, and create all day without reaching for the charger. And when it comes to the display, wow! The Liquid Retina display is brighter, sharper, and more color-rich than ever, making your content pop with 1 billion colors and up to 2x the resolution of comparable PC laptops. Stay camera ready with the new 12MP center stage camera that keeps you in focus during video calls. Whether you're on FaceTime or presenting at work, it automatically adjusts to keep you front and center. And now, with Apple Intelligence, your Mac is even smarter. Use AI-powered tools like Image Playground, Genmoji, and writing tools to create, edit, and communicate like never before. MacBook Air is already the world's most stylish laptop, but now, it's even more eye-catching. Introducing Sky Blue, a sleek, metallic shade that shifts beautifully in the light. And yes, the MagSafe charging cable matches the color. Packed with Wi-Fi 6E, 2 Thunderbolt ports, MagSafe charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, the MacBook Air is built for versatility. And here's the best part, Apple just made it even more affordable. The new MacBook Air starts at just $999 or $899 for students. That's $100 less than before. With its stunning design, next-level performance, and unbeatable value, the new MacBook Air is the ultimate laptop for work, creativity, and everyday life. Pre-order yours today, because the future of laptops is here.